One good free way to search for case opinions is to use Google Scholar. So from the Google homepage, you would select More, go down to Scholar, get into the Google Scholar page. The default option is to search for articles. Since I'm looking for opinions, I'm going to select the Opinions button there. And then a search box comes up. There are 3 essential ways of searching for case opinions in Google Scholar: by citation, by case name, or by performing keyword search. If I had a citation, I could throw a citation in quotations, click search. So 5 US 137. I can quickly pull up Marbury versus Madison, an old United States Supreme Court opinion. If I don't have a citation, I could search by case name as another way of finding an opinion. So if I was looking for Terry v. Ohio, I would throw that in quotes, select legal opinions, click search, and Terry v. Ohio comes up, a U.S. Supreme Court opinion dealing with the legality under the 4th Amendment of the police to stop and frisk somebody. I might want to remove the highlighting so my search terms aren't highlighted. From there, I can select all, I can copy, I can paste it into a Word document and then email the opinion to myself. So here's Terry v. Ohio. If I was interested in how this case has been cited by other opinions, I would click on the How Cited tab. So this is 31,000 citing documents throughout the entire United States. If I clicked on the Advanced Scholar link there, select Search within article citing Terry v. Ohio, I could restrict it down to just specific state courts. So select Search Opinions in, let's say, Pennsylvania, search Scholar. So here are a list now of all Pennsylvania opinions on Google Scholar that have somehow cited Terry v. Ohio, Commonwealth v. Hicks being one, a state Supreme Court opinion that has cited Terry v. Ohio in its opinion. So that's by citation, that's by case name, and then finally, if I don't have any of those things, I can go back to Scholar, select Search Legal Opinions, and I can search by keyword. So I might search for the phrase grandparent visitation statutes in quotes, click search. Troxel v. Granville is my first opinion that comes up. It's a U.S. Supreme Court opinion dealing with the constitutionality of grandparent visitation statutes. If I was looking for only in Pennsylvania, I would go back to the advanced Google Scholar search, rerun my search, but specifically only to Pennsylvania courts, search Scholar, and here we have a list of only Pennsylvania opinions with the grandparent visitation statute as a phrase somewhere in the opinion. And one of my initial hits is Schmel v. Wegland, which is the Pennsylvania Supreme Court dealing with the constitutionality of Pennsylvania's grandparent visitation statutes. One final thing that might be of help is go back to Google Scholar, and I might search for law review articles that would help me interpret an opinion. So I might run a search on case name of Terry v. Ohio under articles to see what law review articles have analyzed or dealt with the Terry v. Ohio case. If I see here on the right column a link to a PDF, I can access that for free. So make sure that you take advantage of Google Scholar. Thank you.